Hello YouTubers, welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode we're going to be looking at the TZUMI LED multicolor light bar. So it has customizable settings, it has atmospheric RGB glow, it has a remote and app control capabilities, and it has app controls multiple light bars. Okay, so let's open it up and see what's inside. So you get this, you don't get a charger, you get the remote, and you get the instructions. Okay, so let's this is kind of hard to hold. There we go. So let's pull this out. And now let's power it on. So let's turn off the lights. So for some reason my phone makes this look white. It's actually red. And I can't get it to, it's red. And it looks white, but you can tell it's red from my hand. I mean, look at the color. Reflection, it's red. So I'm not sure that this video is gonna work out since I can't. It's green. That's white. That's supposed to be yellow, but it's actually looking more like green. So you have a lot of different colors. Ooh, that's supposed to be violet. It looks white on the video. Let me turn the lights on. Something's not working out. You have to actually aim it. Let's do a flash. It's kind of annoying. Strobe. Fade. Let's turn off the lights. And smooth. And you can control the brightness. You can just reduce the brightness. Okay, so if you reduce the brightness, it does that. So that's the minimum right there. When it flashes like that, that's the minimum. So let's go to the maximum. That's the maximum right there when it flashes. And off. It's like that. Okay, so now let's take a look at the app. So I have to let you know that this phone right here does not show any of those colors correctly. So I'm disappointed about that. Okay, so let's find the app. So you get that QR code, so let's look it up. So it's gonna be over here. Let's click that. And it doesn't work. So let's I don't know what else to do. It's not working. So let me just look it up directly on the Google Play Store. TZUMI LED. There we go. This is disastrous. I can't find the app. So I can't do anything. I mean, if I try to... So we're gonna have to leave it at that. This is the only thing you can use for now. You can change the colors if you want. You have to aim it. So, and that's about it. I mean, you can pick a color, and then you have these options right here. You have the option of flash, the option of strobe. Strobe and flash are almost the same. Can't tell the difference. And then you have fade. Fade is a kind of smooth. And then you have smooth. Smooth and fade are almost the same, and flash and strobe are almost the same. So you can control the brightness, and that's about it. You can turn it on and off. That's off. So I am disappointed because I was expecting the app to be able to do a lot of effects, and it can't do that. So let's try the other configuration. So I see TZUMI didn't want to pay for the app to maintain the app on the Google Play Store, and I know that costs money, so I can understand them not wanting to do that. But then the problem is that the box advertises it like you have access to it, which you don't, and that's the disappointment. And if you're wondering why I bought this, is because I wanted to go with, let me see. The reason why I bought this is so that it will go with this right here, this the Sony speaker that I already reviewed. If you watch my reviews, then you're familiar with
Bluetooth connected.
You're familiar with this, so this is gonna go with that because this has effects, lighting effects. So this, I'm just gonna put it on strobe. I said strobe. Let's do flash. Okay, so here's something that I've noticed. When you're on one of the colors, for example red, let's put it on red. I know you can't see the red color, but it is red. It's just my camera, I can't tell the color. You can use these two to make it brighter, and you can make it dimmer like that. And I know you can't see it at all, and when you see that flash, it means that it's reached the limit. But when you put it on flash or strobe like that, this will actually change the speed. So right there is going real fast, and we can slow it down. so you can make it go faster or slow it down. So I do see myself buying another one of these and putting it on a different side of the room while I listen to music with this, and I think that would be cool. So I'm a little bit disappointed. Can I recommend this? Yes, but only for use with this remote. If you were expecting to use it with the app, forget about it, because it's not available anymore. So thank you for watching, subscribe, and thumbs up.